This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the tailgate. Undo the upper and lower light unit retaining bolts. Pull the light unit rearwards. Rotate the relevant bulb holder clockwise and pull it from the light housing. Push and twist the bulb anti-clockwise and pull it from the bulb holder. Place the new bulb in the holder and twist the bulb clockwise. Rotate the relevant bulb holder anti-clockwise and secure it in the light housing. Push the light unit into place, then secure it by tightening the upper and lower mounting fasteners.